And also no laughing allowed in Zion. That's also another...
I don't know why this became such a thing. It just, even in the temple that used to be, and I'm like, where did this... I need to study that more. I'm not sure what the genesis of this was, but I don't know how well we adhere
Be cheerful.
any of that.
Be cheerful. You're laughing right now.
I know.
You sinner.
Oh man, I could see how somebody who's a non-member could read this and be like, what are we talking about here?
Be cheerful in your heart, but not with much laughter, for this is sin.
I give up, man. I don't know what to do about it. I can't solve this problem. It's a Rubik's Cube inside an enigma. Just can't figure it out.
All right. I put some thought into this. Okay, here we go.
Okay,
the language that the temple used is loud laughter. They've changed it, but it used to say avoid loud laughter.
Good point. Yeah.
And loud laughter is a little more revealing as to what the point that they're trying to get across is. But when I think of this cheerful without the excess of laughter, in my mind, I'm thinking lay off the wine and, the alcohol. Like irreverent joy.
And this I can buy into, obviously. That seems accurate for sure.
And of course, this is times when word of wisdom was still not by way of commandment. But it's not just alcohol related, but the purpose is again, maintain a proper mindset, a proper spirit, and don't just be in carnal entertainment or irreverent type entertainment that would produce laughter. But it's not so much the laughter, it's the atmosphere of irreverence is what we're talking about here. And this is something that we can apply in our daily life. It's not just this isn't just a Sabbath day thing, right? This is a holier spirit that we should make the temple, the spirit of the temple that we should be bringing home with us, is that, you can be cheerful, but that doesn't mean you bring irreverence into your home or into your life or into your behavior and your attitude. And, probably the extreme example of that is imagine yourself in the celestial room. You see someone you haven't seen in a long time or something, and you go up and you greet them and you hug them and you ask them how they're doing and stuff. But what would be your behavior in the celestial room? You would be cheerful. You might even be laughing, but you would be very reverent, and you would seek to maintain a spirit because you recognize that you're in a holy place.
Hit that like button, leave us a comment, subscribe to the channel. We really appreciate it.
They may seem like little things, but liking, commenting, it helps the algorithm push our content out to more people. So it's our small way of sharing the gospel in a social media age.